As a project engineer, managing your project's budget, milestones, and deliverables seamlessly is crucial. Let me show you how it's done with this advanced tracker. First, I start by setting my target budget, identifying key milestones, and marking the launch date. This establishes a solid foundation for the project's timeline and financial plan. Then, I classify our investments into distinct categories. Next comes the detailing of equipment needs. For every equipment, I enter its estimated budget, the approved budget, and then diligently track actual expenses against these figures. For deliverables tracking, I assign suppliers to specific milestones and set plan dates, simplifying the tracking of each milestone's progress. This method allows for real-time monitoring, guaranteeing that our project stays on track. With just a few clicks, I can access comprehensive budget analyses on the dashboard. This includes updates on budget status by responsible party and supplier, offering a clear financial overview at a glance. Moreover, I can oversee deliverable progress, address urgencies, and share updates with my team online, ensuring everyone is aligned and informed. Enhanced with the capability to set automated notifications on actions and budget changes, this tracker empowers us to stay proactive and informed effortlessly. Thank you for watching.